So in this particular class, we're going to create a simple model from just header photo. Alright, we're going to make use of just one simple photo to create a full-time model. Alright, so I'm going to go over to this. I'm already on my ChatGPT, so I'll come here, click on this plus sign, go to photo. This is always for it to photo to load up. So I'm going to pick this particular model. So it is just a kind of a short passport photo. Alright, so I'm going to use a particular passport photo to create a complete model. I'll say make this image a model. Alright, modeling. Why a large crowd? A large crowd. Watch her as she performs. Right. So now, if this prompt doesn't work, now I said make this a model. Alright. So I have a comma there. I said modeling why a large crowd watch her as she performs. Alright. Now this is just a passport photograph. Now we're going to convert this passport photograph to a complete model. So this is the prompt that I'm giving to it. Now in case this prompt didn't work properly, we can always reprompt it and get what we want. So I'll hit on submit. So we hit to submit. I'm just going to give it time and wait for it to generate. Alright, it's already creating our image. It usually take 20 to 25 seconds to be fully completed. Now with this prompt, if ChatGPT is going to be able to understand what we just wrote here, because it's not long, it's very short and direct, and ChatGPT can understand what we sent to it to create. Now it's going to create a complete model out of this. Right, you can see this is just a passport. Now it's going to create a nice body shape for it and a good dressing and complete environment where she's currently modeling. Okay, so this is perfect, exactly what we wanted. You can see here's a perfect photo, exactly the prompt that we gave to it. Now mind you, only the face is what we had. We didn't have the body, but with the face it was able to create the body and create a perfect environment. While people are watching, she's walking down the street doing a modeling job. Very easy. Alright, so you can actually use ChatGPT to recreate your photos the way you want it. So this is how easy it is. These are the kind of prompts that you can use to create simple photo. Alright, so I will see you in my next class.